Oh. We backwards, boys. Ooh. Hello. Making another YouTube video because I have no content. What the? I'm Batman. What you looking at? What you looking? Don't lick my toes. What you looking at? You leaving me? I'm gonna take most of sorry dominance. What you looking at? What you see out there? What you looking at? What you see out there? Yeah. What you looking at? I don't know, man. I think she on something, and get your booty down. She like, nope, not today, Satan. Not today. I'm making my way downtown. Tiny, get your booty over here. Give me. Let me give you some loving. Okay. She think I'm on something. Probably because I've been watching too much. You might look disgusting. Probably because I've been watching too much YouTube and TikTok today. And I think I cut the chaotic energy and yeah, I just took my meds. So I'm a little hyper. So I got this weird thing that goes around your neck. And I'm gonna open it. Were you looking back at that window again? What do you see out there? What are you looking at? What you wagging your tail for? You happy? Good, you feel happy? I'm happy, but seriously, what the heck are you looking at? Why will this thing open? You know what? I'm gonna use this pencil. Open sesame, brothers. No! Yee. Why won't this open? Here. Stare at this dude asserting dominance. While I, somehow... I'm... Don't look at that. Here, just stare at this thing. Okay, there. Just stare at that. I try and open this fucking box. Sorry, I don't want to get demonetized for cursing, but who cares? I only have 4 subscribers, noobs. I got a pencil sharpener. Yeah, content right there. I may do a drawing video later. If I'm not super hyper and can keep my hands from skiddy. I am shaky after I take my meds. From my depression, my crippling depression. Don't ask. I don't like people asking. You like my color pencils? People might think I'm insane because I'm talking to myself because nobody watches this channel, and I'm opening this box. I finally got it open. Now let's see. Come on, work. Come on, noob. Open. It makes fart noises. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Look at there, boys. I'm getting it open. Oh man, you gotta assemble it. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I rate this 0 out of 10 because it's stupid. Wow, the smokiness. Wow. Now stare at this picture I drew because it sucks. Sorry. Oh, I bought a unicorn. Look at it in its holy beauty. This is an unrelated video. This video makes no sense. If I would be surprised if anyone watches this. Alrighty, that's today's video because I haven't posted in who knows how long. I think quarantine is getting to my brain. Do not call the FBI. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense. Tiny, whiny. Come here. I got you. Say goodbye to the viewers. Say goodbye to the viewers. Say bye-bye. Thank you. She did not like that. My baby. I know you don't like being held, but I want to hold you and give you kisses. I love you so much. Now you can go. You can go now. She says goodbye to the viewers. Well, there's only 4, but who cares? Look.